सबसे पहले तो हम ये जानना चाहेंगे फादर मोटिव बहुत कम देखने को मिला, स्पेशली फैशन इंडस्ट्री में। तो पहले ये यूनिक जो फ्लेवर है वो हमें बताइए।
ऐसा है कि we started this institute 11 years back and my daughter joined in 4 years back, and she's an MBA graduate. I'm from textile background, and we have a very good rapport with each other, and we realize that together we can do wonders for the students. So that's the reason the father daughter's combination works very well for us.
आज का जो पर्टिकुलर इवेंट है उसके बारे में बताइए।
INFD Bandra car is now 11 years old. This is our 8th fashion show, and today we have chosen the theme occasion and fashion, whereby we have taken fashion from across the globe, so that students are able to study the culture around the world, understand it, and make garments suitable for us that we can show it on the RAM today. So that's the special feature of today.
Disha, we would like to ask you about the jury, about the special preparation the students have done for today's show.
Students have worked hard since the past 6 months for this show, and they have put in a lot of hard work, may it be in research or the garment sourcing, the fabric sourcing, and also the presentations, the write-ups, etc., etc. So it's been a hard work which has been मतलब 6 महीनों का ये काम, 6 months this has been there. And regarding the jury, of course, we have very eminent jury today from various backgrounds, business background as well as from the fashion background. So we are very happy to welcome them today.
कोई आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि स्पेशल आज हाईलाइट ऑफ द इवनिंग अगर कॉस्ट्यूम्स की बात की जाए तो आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या स्पेशल एक पर्टिकुलर आउटफिट या सीक्वेंस है जो स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत एफर्ट्स लेके किया है?
मुझे लगता है we have 15 lines और 15 लाइन, all 15 lines are different, and as I said, right from Germany's Oktoberfest to Italian Venice Carnival to Las Vegas show, then we have Greek Sotera, then we have Hawaiian Beach, then we have Indian Karwa Chauth as well as Gandhi. So we have taken themes from around the world, and all garments, I cannot pick on one line, all garments have come fantabulous.
आपने इतनी वैरायटी हमें बता दी from Hawaii to Gandhi ji. So what would you say today's status of fashion? आज एक fashion capital बन गया है Bombay, and India is really going leaps and bounds. What do you have to say about fashion's existence in our country today, especially with education?
Yes, fashion is progress very gradually. Now Indian designers are known all around the world. They are respected as equally as international designers. All our designers like Rahul Mishra and others, they are walking international, they are doing international shows. So we have to prepare our students so that they are in 10 years time fit enough to go and take part in international exhibitions. Hence, I think even Modi ji says that young talent should be nurtured, and we are exactly doing that in our institute.
Disha, what do you have to say about fashion's existence in our country?
Fashion, as he said, has gradually come up in our country, and today it is an essential part of every single youth's culture, etc. Fashion has become such an integral part of our day-to-day life. Every day, whatever we dress, whatever we do, it's some way or the other related with fashion. And Modi ji also, he has encouraged the youth so much, that fashion, I feel now will progress even more under his reign.
So I would say make in India and make name abroad.
Thank you. आज आप
एक्चुअली में BND मतलब भरत एंड डोरिस मेकअप ब्रांड है हम लोग। मेकअप ब्रांड जो है एक जो इधर का जो मैं अभी शो जज कर रही हूँ उसके साथ में कंप्लीट जाता है, क्योंकि डिज़ाइनर्स के कपड़े और मेकअप और हेयर जो होता है एक यूनिफॉर्म होता है, तो ये सब चीज़ करने में मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है, क्योंकि जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन लोगों के जो क्रिएशन होता है वो देख के मुझे खुद सीखने के लिए मिलता है कि अभी इनके साथ में हमको क्या लुक करना चाहिए। कोई भी फैशन शो के लिए मैं अगर देखती हूँ तो पहले मैं ये देखती हूँ कि आउटफिट क्या है, किस तरीके के ड्रेस को डिज़ाइन किया गया है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग हेयर मेकअप करते हैं। एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट से देखा जाए तो आजकल काफ़ी कंपटीशन इज़ वेरी टफ। ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने काफ़ी बड़े बड़े डिज़ाइनर्स के साथ काम किया, मगर जब स्टूडेंट्स के साथ काम करती हूँ तो बड़ा टफ लगता है, क्योंकि पता नहीं चलता कि कौन कैसा है और एक से एक वो लोग डिज़ाइन करते हैं। मेरा स्टाइल मंत्र जो पहना वो अपना स्टाइल है, और मैं कभी भी कोई भी स्टाइल ऐसे किसी को देख के पिकअप नहीं करती हूँ। मेरा खुद का अपना स्टाइल होता है जो मैं सोचती हूँ अगर आप कंफर्टेबल है कोई भी चीज़ को पहनने में और आपको लगता है कि आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो, तो मेरा वो मंत्र है। मैं कभी किसी को पूछती नहीं हूँ कि मैं क्या पहनूँ और मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ। मेरा मन बोलता है मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ, कॉन्फिडेंस है, तो दैट इज़ द स्टाइल। थैंक यू सो मच।
I think it's an honor for me to be mentoring these students, because I've seen their designs, I have seen their show, because I was mentoring them, so I've kind of gone to their institute and seen the works that they were doing, and it is fantastic, because I think again, like I said, fashion is something it's an art. So you learn every day to day, there are new things that come up, and looking at their collection, I feel that they've done a stunning job, and they're very great.
You've been a mentor with Anandri Bandra. What do you have to say about that work as students? You mentored them for this vibrant show today. What do you have to say?
Like I said, I loved their collection. Yes, because it's their first show, they're a little nervous, and they've done their best. And yeah, I kind of, not in mentoring them, I kind of made a little bit changes according to what I thought was supposed to be made. And the collection looks fabulous, and I really feel that they do a very great job at I and IFT Bandra. And the teachers here also, when I met them, when I spoke to them, I think I'm looking forward to this show, because I'm looking forward to this entire new collection.
What does come to your mind when you hear the word vibrant?
All the bright colors, everything very magical. So yeah, I think that's what vibrance means to me. Yes, I'm starting my second flagship store by this month, actually June, in the next 20 days. So I'm really looking forward to it, and a couple of shows coming off. So yeah. Keep having passion for your passion. Keep having passion for passion, and do not give up. There is a lot of work in the industry waiting for you.
Fashion. What do you have to say about judging the show?
See, judging always is a beautiful concept. Also, it's a little terrible one, because somebody has to lose, somebody has to win. And as you said about education, see, everything goes with education. It is a hand-in-hand situation. Whether you talk about any field today, education is the core.
Anandri Bandra, you've been mentoring them also, and you've been part of their earlier activities. What do you have to say about the students and the show that you put up together?
See, it requires a lot of efforts to put up a show. Putting up a show is not a joke, and students doing it is all the more difficult. They have really done up too well. They have been doing it quite some time now. And trust me, the way they are grooming up, the way they are coming up, it sounds really great. And I really wish to see them still flying high in the years to come.
You've been judging so many fashion shows of late. What do you keep in mind when the marketing time or the actual judging comes?
See, judging, it's basically always felt, it's also believed. It's not only about beauty, it's about everything. How you carry yourself, how do you really take it forward, the debating or the question and answers, whatever. It's a complete package. Those days are gone when beauty was the only thought behind it. Trust me, I really fail to understand why those days, when you go back to your old days, why only beauty was the thought which always people had in mind. Things have changed and things will further change in the years to come. They are doing a great work. Keep doing it. Keep rocking. And really ensure that you take these levels further high. Thank you so much.